Good morning, this is your daily outlook for Monday the 10th of October. The euro produced a positive opening last night as France and Germany leaders committed to reveal a plan to resolve the eurozone debt crisis by the end of the month. This came on Sunday after Fitch downgraded Spain and Italy on Friday. Versus the US dollar, the single currency opened at 133.44 and soon covered the gap from 133.60 from the last close. Against the Swiss franc, the euro opened almost unchanged at 124.07 from 124.08. Rumours of a Swiss intervention to raise the 120 floor are expected to influence the pair this week as well. Against the Japanese yen, the euro opened at 102.31 and rapidly managed to cover the difference from the 102.63 Friday close. The exact details of the Dexia bailout are also highly anticipated. The US dollar slipped against the basket of currencies as better than expected non-farm payroll numbers and news from Europe reduced risk aversion. Against the Swiss franc, the US dollar opened unchanged at 0.9272 but soon dropped lower. Against the Japanese yen, the greenback opened at 76.52 from 76.72 but managed to cover the difference overnight. Speculation on a Japanese intervention to weaken the yen will be the prime factor to influence the pair this week. The Australian dollar opened slightly lower at 0.9741 from 0.9768 against the dollar and confirmed our view of a reduced risk aversion as it subsequently rose higher. While the British pound opened at 155.16 from 155.55 against the US dollar, it erased the difference overnight. On Sunday, Monetary Policy Committee member Wheel acknowledged the likelihood of further quantitative easing. Looking at commodities, we saw oil prices open at $82.77 a barrel from $82.56. Gold opened at $1,638.43 an ounce from $1,637.81. And silver opened at $31.01 an ounce from $31.12. Now let's take a look at the currencies this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 133.80 with a preference to enter into long positions at 134. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 76.95 with a preference to enter short positions at 76.90. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 0.9725 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9725. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 155.30 with a preference to enter into long positions at 155.45, and the dollar CAD pivot point is at 104 with a preference to enter into short positions at 104. Now looking at commodities. The oil pivot point is 82.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 82.50. The gold pivot point is at 1620 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1620, and the silver pivot point is at 3020 with a preference to enter into long positions at 3020. And of course, for up-to-date information, you can visit our website. On today's calendar, the market movers are the bank holiday of the US, Canada and Japan. EMU Centix investor confidence for September forecast to drop to -19, and UK RICS housing price balance in September forecast to drop to -24. Now on to equity markets. The European bourses were positive on Friday with the FTSE trading up 0.23%, the DAX was up 0.54% and the CAC was up 0.66%. US equities were negative with the SP 500 down 0.82% and the Dow was down 0.18%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.98% and the Hang Seng was up 0.64%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma J from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.